Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we believe is the best backpacking cookware you can find, the Snow Peak Titanium Multi-Compact Cook Set. If you're serious about lightweight backpacking or minimalist camping, this is the cook set that needs to be in your pack. Let's start with first impressions. This set is sleek. Made in Japan, it boasts Snow Peak's renowned craftsmanship and it absolutely shows in the design. The entire set is made from titanium, which means it's incredibly light. We're talking just 0.73 pounds total for all 4 pieces. That's right, 4 pieces. 2 pots and 2 pans that nest perfectly together. It's compact, it's smart, and it's durable. You can tell this set was built with intention, not just to save weight, but to actually perform out in the wild. Now what really makes this set stand out isn't just the ultralight design, it's how versatile it is. Each piece comes with foldable handles, saving even more space, and the lids double as frying pans or plates. You can use it to boil water, fry some eggs, or cook a whole meal for 2. And yes, this is designed for 2 people, which is rare in the ultralight cookware world. That makes it perfect for couples or trail buddies who want to share gear and still stay under pack weight limits. When it comes to materials, titanium isn't just about shaving grams. It's corrosion resistant, heats up fast, and cools down quickly too. That's a big plus when you want to cook efficiently and pack up without waiting forever for your gear to cool. And because it doesn't retain flavors, it's excellent for back-to-back cooking without weird taste crossovers. But it's not just a practical tool. There's something kind of emotional about using Snow Peak gear. The company has been crafting outdoor equipment for over 60 years. And their ethos is all about slowing down and reconnecting with nature. You really feel that philosophy baked into this product. It's simple. It's thoughtful. It's not trying to be flashy, it's trying to be timeless. Another thing worth noting. This cook set isn't limited to just gas stoves. It works well over a campfire too, which is great for backcountry enthusiasts who enjoy open flame cooking. It feels robust enough to handle repeated use over any heat source you throw at it. And with a lifetime product guarantee, you're making an investment in gear that'll likely outlast your tent, your stove, and maybe even your boots. At the end of the day, the Snow Peak Titanium Multi-Compact Cook Set is not just cookware. It's part of your outdoor lifestyle. It's for people who want gear that pulls its weight, literally and figuratively, and performs without compromise. Lightweight, reliable, compact, and versatile, this set checks every box. If you're putting together your ultimate backpacking kit, this cook set is a no-brainer. It's not the cheapest out there, but it's probably the last one you'll ever need. And for us at Product Critique, that makes it a top-tier pick for your next adventure. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a breakdown from Product Critique. Until next time, pack light, adventure hard.